Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Nigerian pepper soup. With me in the kitchen today is my friend who is going to be making this beautiful meal for us. So she was asking what kind of meat I would prefer to use since you can use fish and all that good stuff, but I automatically thought of our pepper pot because it's pepper soup. So I chose beef and cow wheel. So she's cleaning both, and then we are going to pressure the cow wheel first. While that was pressuring, she went ahead and prepared the beef. So these are some of the ingredients that will be used, and it will be listed down below. Now to the beef, she's adding all these other spices, and not to worry, I'll leave detailed how it is done in the description box. Then you go ahead and you add some water, give that a good stir, and she let that cook separately. All right. So our cow wheel was done, and we transferred from the pressure pot to a regular pot, and we're adding all the rest of the spices here. She's gonna add some water and re-add the beef as well. All right, give that a taste and let that go. Then she went ahead and blend the peppers and onion. Now guys, this was spicy. I thought I love spice. Whew. Well, you can definitely tone the heat down. It's your preference. You can omit one of the pepper, okay? The hot pepper. Then you pour that into the soup, and she let that go for a few more minutes, maybe 10-15 more minutes, and it was done. It is more on the liquidy side, and I must say this is the first time I'm having beef pepper soup. I did have the fish a long time ago, but this beef pepper soup is the bomb. My son love this as well. And that's it, guys. Nigerian pepper soup. So she is actually tasting. She'll tell you what can be done.
You can have this with some people take it with Nigerian bread, some people with yams, potatoes. You can have it on ripe plantain as well. Very delicious. You help me join me.
And that's it. If you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, drop me a comment. For those of you who are Nigerians and have not had Guyanese pepper pot, I'll leave the link in the description box, and this is what it looks like. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Be kind to yourself and each other.